Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, I'm happy meeting you again here. Now I'm presenting a tongue twister which is gonna be a real test for your tongue and brain as well. I come across most often people mispronouncing the word public. They say public. This tongue twister is gonna be helping them resolve their problem. When you try saying this tongue twister, press and say. Publics, publishers, publicly, publish, publishable, publications. Say it 5 times in 30 seconds and 10 times in a minute. Here we go. Publics, publishers, publicly publish, publishable publications. 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 Friends, I tried it a few times and succeeded as well, I hope. You too try it at home. I once again remind you here, tongue twisters are fun. They help us improve our pronunciation and fluency skills as well. All the best. See you. Bye.